Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken cordon bleu nuggets. Alright, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 3 chicken breasts, but I just used chicken tenders and I cut those up into pieces. So I got 28 good sized chunks here, if you can see that. Then you need a half a cup of flour, some salt and pepper for taste, 1 egg, a half a cup of water, a cup of breadcrumbs, any kind you like, some Swiss cheese. It says 5 pieces, but I think I need 6 because I have a little more than what the recipe called for the chicken. And then 5 slices of ham. So also, I'm probably going to use 6 of those. So let's go ahead and get started. We are going to preheat our oven to 350. Alright, next you want to go ahead and start to slice your ham up. Also, cut up your chicken, of course. So my ham is just the regular lunch meat ham, so I'm going to use more than 1 slice. So I just pretty much put a whole bunch down and cut it into 4s. I'll probably layer mine at least, probably 2, maybe 3. Now I'm going to just cut my cheese. I just stacked all 6 of my pieces here, and I'm just going to cut that into 4s. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you, you also need some toothpicks because that's how we're going to keep everything together. Okay, so once everything is all cut, we're going to have 3 bowls going here. So we're going to have a bowl filled with flour, salt, and pepper. And the second bowl, we're going to have the egg and water. Just beat that together. And then in the third bowl, we're going to have the breadcrumbs. All right, so I have all of my bowls lined up. Flour, salt, and pepper. Your egg wash, which is the egg and water. And then your breadcrumbs. I don't know why I couldn't think of the word. So next we're going to go ahead and get started. So get out your toothpicks and we're going to put on 1 piece of chicken. Alright, so your toothpick should look like this. I have chicken, ham, cheese, and chicken. So I'm going to dip that in the breadcrumbs, the flour, the egg, and the breadcrumbs. And then I'm going to put it onto my baking sheet that I sprayed with cooking spray. Alright, all of my little nuggets have been dipped, and I'm going to tell you that was messy. But if they taste as good as they look, it'll be worth it. So go ahead and you leave the toothpicks in. We're just going to spray some cooking spray on top of these, and then we are going to go ahead and bake them at 350 for 10 minutes. Alright, these just came out of the oven after 10 minutes, so now I'm going to flip them over, take the toothpicks out, and cook them 10 minutes more. Alright, my little chickens are still cooking, but I opened my oven and they were all falling. So I'm really not sure why they said to remove the toothpick. So I would keep it in there if I were you, but I fixed mine on up. But I think I am going to cook them a little longer because they technically only have 2 minutes left, but mine were thicker. So I think I'm going to cook mine for about 10 more minutes. Alright, these just came out of the oven and you can hear them all nice and sizzly. I did cook mine for an extra 10 minutes from what I said on the original toast, just for the fact that I just wanted to make sure they were really done, because I think mine are a little thicker than what the recipe actually called for. So we'll see what taste tester thinks after they cool off a bit. Okay, taste tester, have a little taste.
Okay. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.